Yo, quick update. Yo, we're gonna make pizza. Yo, hope you like it and subscribe to the channel and don't mess it up. And don't subscribe just in case that because there's gonna be more of the pizza video. There's gonna be a lot of kinds, but me, Stefan. Bye.
Back. Okay, what I did is I put a lot of sage in here and a few other herbs in this section. I like them here because this gets really hot sun in the day, and salvia loves sun. So let me start. One of my favorite is purple sage, if you want to move in. This actually is from America. It's a desert plant, and it basically doesn't like being fed. It likes rocky, sandy areas. So if you don't have good garden soil, use purple sage, and it smells amazing. Over here, I have an evening primrose. It did that by itself, but it's beautiful. But I have Germander. It's basically a wood sage, which is interesting because it also came from the mint family. So just like all the sages, the salvias, they're from the mint family. But this used to be used for gout and other stuff in old medical research. Now they're thinking, not such a good deal, but it's still an herb. And over here, I really like, these are just the 6-pack of the red salvia. So I wanted to go around my statue, but in the back, walk me, this is funny, I put pineapple sage. And I told you, watch the video I did where I propagated it. This is really going to get up to here, a couple feet, with big red spikes. So I thought it would go with the lower spikes of red. And over here, one of my favorite is Lantana. And so Lantana is really good. Well, all of these are deer resistant and usually bunny resistant. So I put it here to keep all the predators from my other stuff that's on the inside of the circle. And over here I put a lot of the red salvia in front, a whole row of the Germander. So basically those sometimes bloom. They're really bad about blooming here, I don't know why, but they could have purple or red flowers. And then I was looking last night, and I have one spot left where my little frog, this is Stefan's sprinkler actually. So what I'm going to do is put a nasturtium. And nasturtium has an interesting history. It's more in the Americas that it came. And that's kind of fitting because it has yellow, red, and orange flowers, and it symbolizes patriotism. I never knew that, but what I like about it, it's got a peppery taste, the leaves, and it's great for salads or a little twist on your cooking, and it helps with some insects. So that's going to go right here, but that's what it's going to look like. But this was the quick final walkthrough of this section. Later on, I'm going to go to the other section of the herb garden. But please subscribe, like, and share. Sabrina from Campbell's Freedom Farm.